Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're on FreeCodeCamp and today we're going to be doing the Learn Introductory JavaScript by building a pyramid generator. I'm going to redo this since we have a couple more steps and everything changed around. So this is the updated course, I guess. So for the first step, it just introduces what JavaScript is, HTML, CSS, and then it tells us what a pyramid generator is, a program where we set type of characters, the count of the pyramid, and the direction of the pyramid. And then the program will generate the pyramid based on the inputs. So we click check your code for the first step, and that's done. And now for the second step, it says one of the most important concepts in programming is variables. So variables are so it stores values, and then variables, which is so it's given a name which can be used throughout the code. So declaring it variable means giving it a name. So we can use let. It says to use the let keyword to declare a variable called character. So we can do let character, and then we can just close with the semicolon. Now for step 3, we could also so we're gonna assign the value to a variable. At the moment, its declaration is known as initialization. So we're gonna initialize the character variable by assigning it to a value hello. So we could do let character equal string hello, just like this. Oh, it's supposed to be capital H. Alright, so now it says JavaScript has 7 primitive data types, string being one of them. So we could either use single or double quotes. So we're going to change our double quote hello to single. So over here we could just make a single quote. And now it says we could also use the console log. And then for example, if we do console log.developer, it'll print out Naomi. So it says to print the value of character to the console, and then click the console button to view the output. So we do console.log, and then we have character in here, the variable, just like this, and then in the console we do see hello. So now after our console log, for step 6, we're gonna assign the value world to our character variable. So after the console log, so we just redo this and just use it just like this. Oh, your character value variable should have the value world. So we just remove that. Oh, should have double quotes. Or maybe this is not it. Alright, so after our console log, we're gonna assign the vat world, so string world, to our character variable. So character is equal to world. So we don't need the let since we already initialized. So now for step 7, it says we're gonna log character variable to the console again, and we'll see the string hello and then the string world. So we do see that in the console. So now for step 8, it says camel case. So camel casing is where the first word is lowercase, then any other word after that will have the first initial uppercase. So we're going to use camel case to declare a new second character variable. So we're going to do let second character, just like this. Now step 9 says, alright, so we're going to add a console log to see what the value of our second character variable is. So we just do console.log, then second character, and it's undefined. So now the default value of a uninitialized variable is undefined like we saw. So we're gonna assign the string test to our second character variable below. So the string test, just like this. And the way what it says is to assign the string test to our second variable below, then open the console log to see if it changed. Yeah, it has. You should not initialize second character. Oh yeah. So should we just do second character equals test? Or maybe even not that. Because we initialize it. So we're gonna initialize it, and then under this, in line 5, we could do second character. And then that's gonna be equal to the string test. Just like this, and that should work. Now for step 11, we could also assign the value of the variable to another variable. For example, we have let first equal to 1 and let second equal to 2, and then we could do second is equal to first, which will print out 2. So to see this action, we're going to send the second character assignment to our test, to our character variable. So instead of having test over here, we're going to have character. And that just logs what character was. It just overrides it. So now we're gonna remove both console logs and the character reassignment. So we're gonna remove both logs and the character reassignment, just like this. I'm gonna also remove the second character, but leave the character, just like this. So just leave the let character equals hello. So now step 13 says use the let keyword to declare a profession variable. So let's do that first. We're going to declare this variable called profession. So let profession variable. So we just close it off with a semicolon. Then we have an age variable. So we do so then let age, just like this. And then we're going to initialize profession with the string teacher, but we're not going to initialize the age with any value. So instead of this, so we have let profession, we have an equal to teacher string, just like this. And we should console log both variables. So we should do on line 4 console.log profession, and then we could do console.log age, just like this. Now step 14 says we have to review declarations and initializations. Remove the code that we wrote for your review, so do not remove the character variable. So remove everything we just did and just leave the character variable, just like this. Now step 15, we're going to use the let to declare a count variable and assign it to number 8. When using a number variable, you do not use quotes. So this is going to be strictly a number, and for that reason we don't use any quotes. So we're going to do let count equal to the number 8, and this JavaScript will know this is a number. Okay, so this will be our last step, and then you can watch the next video for the next step. So step 16, so with the number data type, which we just did here without the strings, we can perform mathematical operations like addition. So we're going to try to print count plus 1 on the console. So we're going to do console.log, and then over here we could do count plus 1, and this should print out 9. This takes this count variable, which we initialized, and we did the math. Okay, so now you can watch the next step in my next video.